Hi guys, we're ready for math today. Today, lesson 15, we're going to be adding ones to help us add within 40. Like, that's kind of what we've been doing the whole time, but no. You'll see when we get there. So what I'm going to do today, we're going to play, it's called number bond addition and subtraction. So I'm going to give you a number between 0 and 10, and I'm going to tell you the whole, and I'm going to give you a part. You're then going to tell me what's the missing part, followed by an addition and subtraction sentence to match. So for example, if I gave 8, 5, you would tell me 3. Good. So then 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay? So what if I told you 7 is the whole, 4 is your part? 3. Good. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay? Let's do a couple more. What about 9, 6. 3 is the missing part. Excellent. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, 2 more. I don't know why 3 has been the missing part both times, but notice you have to pay attention because even though 3 was the correct answer both times, it was not that our problems were exactly the same. Okay, let's have our whole be. Nope. I was going to do 4 and 1, but then 3 would have been the answer again. I don't know why that number is in my brain today. It's okay though. Okay, let me think. 6, 2. Missing part is 4. Excellent. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And I can flip them because these all come from the same number bond. Excellent. Unless you're dealing with doubles, there are 4 number sentences in each number bond. 2 addition and 2 subtraction that we've learned thus far. You'll get into other types of number bonds later. We ain't worried about that in first grade. But what we are worried about is our application problem, which today can be found on page 97 in your blue trimmed learn book, blue book, page 97. You have 3 questions to answer again. We're going to set this up just like we did yesterday, utilizing all this beautiful, wonderful blank space. So we're going to split this one in half. All right, the number 1, the number 2, and the number 3. And then I'm going to read the questions to you, and we're going to go ahead and work out the 3 problems. So let's see what we have here. Who is Emmy? What? She's everywhere this week. All right. So Emmy had a Lincoln Cube train of 6 cubes. She added 3 cubes to the train. How many cubes are in her Lincoln Cube train? Okay, that's number 1. Number 2. Emmy made another train of Lincoln cubes. She started with 7 cubes and added some more cubes until her train was 12 cubes long. How many cubes did Emmy add? All right, number 3. Emmy made one more train of Lincoln cubes. It was made of 12 Lincoln cubes. She took some cubes off and her train became 4 Lincoln cubes long. How many cubes did Emmy take off? All right, so take a few minutes to work on this, submitting your answers as the Nearpod prompts you to, or telling me that you don't know. If you only get through a couple of them, and let's do 6 minutes. We don't want to spend forever on it, but we do want to spend some time thinking about and trying to solve these 3 problems. So I'll see you in a moment. So what we have here is, alright, in this instance, we had the 2 parts, we found the whole, Emmy has 9 cubes. This time, we had a part and the whole, so we drew the whole and then we counted on to find the missing part. Emmy added 5 cubes, and here, we started with the whole. We knew what our final part, but we don't know how many we took away. So we drew the whole, and we said, hi-ya! And we took off the part that we knew was left, and we counted show how many were taken away. Saying that Emmy took off 8 cubes. Emmy took off 8 cubes. All right, now looking at what we're doing today, we are going to, so in this particular addition problem, we see 29 plus 5 is equal to 34. And pictured here with cubes, we have taken a 1 to complete the group of 10. So we will either be taking ones. Let's see what we're doing here. I need my life. I lost my whole train of thought. My brain just said, what is math? So here you see what we did was we broke 29 into 10s and 1s. We then added together our 1s, and we saw that that was 14. Then we added 14 and 20, adding the 10s and the 1s. We see that we have 34. Now, we could have also in this problem, is it the next slide? No, okay, I didn't want to rush it. We could have also taken 1 from here. So let me show you that. I just want to show you that one here. Hold on. So we could have 29 plus 5 broken this into 1 and 4. 29 and 1 more is 30 plus 4 more equals 34. Do both of these number sentences produce the same correct answer? Yes, they do. Both of these number sentences produce the same correct answer. And that's the whole point. That's literally the whole point of having multiple strategies to solve the same problem. Now, as I said, we're going to be looking at adding ones to help add within 40. And we're going to do a few different problems today. We're actually going to start on page 63 in your Succeed book. Let me put that down. Page 63 in your Succeed book. So, bum, ba, da, bum. It's right here. We're not doing the whole page, we're just doing a few of them. And we're going to do the crayons together. So hopefully you'll notice the pattern pretty quickly. But then we'll do a few from the, I think I have a couple picked from the back for us to do, just to help us really think about what it is that we did here. So, looking at this problem, we see crayons. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. 5 and 4 is 9. We know that. 5 and 4 is 9. Okay. So if I have 5 and 4 is 9, let me show you that with cubes, right? So 5 and 4 is 9, correct? What happens if I add a group of 10? What happens instead of 5, I have 15? My answer goes up by a group of 10. So instead of 9, I now have 19. So that means 15 and 4 is 19. Good. Okay. What about I make my model match what happened here? What happened here? I added another box, which means I added a group of 10. Notice, nothing is happening to my ones. So instead of 5 and 4, 15 and 4, we now have 25 and 4. Did anything happen in the ones place? No, we just increased by a group of 10. So that means my solution, 25 and 4 is, put that down, I need another hand, 29. So without my model, what's going to happen on the last question? What's the answer to the last one? What's the answer? It's 39. Do you see what happened here? You see how we used our ones? Use what we know about adding within 10. Use what we know about adding ones together to steadily increase by groups of 10 to solve related problems. These problems are related because notice all I did was add more groups of 10s. My ones stayed the same. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 25 plus 4 is equal to 29. 35 plus 4 is equal to 39. Good job. Now, you're going to flip the page. I'm going to switch the slide. We're going to do some on the back side. On the back side. The back side, we're going to do 12, 13, 14, and 15. So same piece of paper. It's the same piece of paper. We're just on the back side. Let me show you. same piece of paper. I just flipped it to the back side. We're down here on number 12. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do 4 more together. Okay, we're going to do 4 more together. All right, 4 more sets. So, 8 and 7. So we're actually going to do the work to solve 8 and 7. We're going to actually make a group of 10. Which of these is almost 10? 8, good. Where will I get the rest of what I need from? The 7. How many more do I need? If I want 8 to be a group of 10, how many more do I need to go from 8 to a group of 10? 2, correct. I need 2 more, leaving 5. So this is now 10, 5. What is 10, 5? 15. Excellent. 10, 5 is 15. Knowing that, what will happen if I add one more group of 10? Let me show you. Look, I have right now my solution, my answer. My 8 and 7 gave me 15. It gave me a group of 10. But if I now say 18 and 7, do I have to start over again? I do not, because now I'm adding an additional group of 10. So that means 18 and 7 is what? 25. So that means 28 plus 7. Notice I'm just adding more groups of 10 will be, let's find out. That's why we're writing. 20, 15, 25. It'll be 35. It'll be 35. Notice, once we did the work to solve 1s plus 1s, we're able to just increase by 10s. Look, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. No 10, 1 10, 2 10. We're increasing by groups of 10. Now, we have another one here. This time the way it's printed, we see 3 plus 9 is equal to blank. Which of these is almost 10? 3 or 9? 9 is. So if I already have 9, how many more do I need to make 10? I need 1 more. So I'm going to get my 1 more by breaking 3 into smaller pieces. So now we have 10 and 2. 10 and 2, 10, 2 is 12. So seeing that we have 12, we have 12 here when we put 3 and 9 together, correct? So let's add, down here, instead of 3 plus 9, 13 plus 9, which means I added a group of 10, which means my solution will increase by a group of 10. And then again, we will add another group of 10, meaning my solution will increase by a group of 10. I'm not changing the whole thing, so we will go 12, 22, 32. Good. All right. Now, these questions read for us to solve the problem, show the 1-digit addition sentence that helped you solve. Okay, well what I'm going to do is I'm going to identify what's in the ones place, and I'm going to identify my 1-digit addition sentence first. I'm going to actually work it backwards because that matches how we did it up here. So 4 and 5, if 4 and 5 is equal to 9, then 24 and 5 is equal to 29. Good work. Yes. So then here we have 4 and 7. 4 and 7. Okay. In this instance, we have 4 1s and 7 1s. So 4 1s plus 7 1s, our 1-digit numbers, gives us, let's count on this time. Which part should I put in my head if I want to count on? I should put 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4 and 7, 7 and 4 equal 11. They're equal to 11, which means if 4 and 7 equal 11, then 24 and 7, adding 2 more groups of 10 equals 31. It's equal to 31. Good job. Good job. Alright guys, so this is, like I said, using those one-digit addition sentences, and yes, your one-digit addition sentences can result in a two-digit number. You're going to cross over and have groups of 10 in there, but notice all I did was add more 10s. I added more 10s. I solved for my ones and added more 10s. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you what it is you're going to be doing today so that you are ready. Let me take a quick note right here. Okay, and now let's show you what you're doing today. Okay. All right. Here it is. Here it is. Your problem set lives on page 99 in your Learn book. So it's 99 is the front. Flip that piece of paper over so you can also do the back. That's page 100. I'll show you here right now. So here's my Learn book. Learn flower beds. Here's the application problem we did about 15 minutes ago. And look, I turned my sheet of paper and here it is. Page 99 is the front. Flip over that sheet of paper. 100 is the back. That is what you're about to do right now. You're going to do this right now. Like this, the video portion will end, and you're going to do that. That's the part where you send me messages, you ask me questions, you ask the other grown-ups around you. You also have the opportunity to reference your Succeed book. Look at how it matches. The homework helper in your Succeed book on page 61. These things go together. They're meant to help you work together and allow the other grown-ups who are helping you be able to use the same math language that we're learning in school. You'll then come back and complete your exit ticket. I'll space it out so you have room to work. I'll spread it out so you have room to work. Draw it, draw it, draw it. Probably quiz format. Haven't quite decided just yet, but we will all find out in a little bit. But no, I'm gonna make sure you have enough room to get done what you need to do. But I will see you guys a little bit later on. You already know. Please let me know if you have any questions so I can help you. And have a good day.